that is biblical. Pray to the day I die, bitch, I'll be that Christian resistor. Blood spiller, cup filler, come hither. Beat the sharp side of my knife, become the blood dripper. Can't splitter, blunt ripper, never front bitcher. Unleash the fucking gripper, pistol gripper, itch dipper. The devil motivate me, bitch, I see him every day up in the mirror.
211, 187, break yourself or go to heaven. Step into the depths and tell the devil is the love we revving. 666 up in my face, suicide lays in my vision. Burning down the grass for church and cursing all of Mary's children. Rose up from the burning flames, now look me straight into my eyes. Fucking with the G59, I promise this is your demise. Head inside and leave my body's hanging from the tree. Fucking with the devil, son, I be the hellish entity.
Run my fade, man, what it do? Sick it creeping in the night, lurking close to you. I know you hear my ex scribbling as I tread the ground. Still to locking up your doors when I roam the town.
Keeping a couple pills up in my system. Pulling up screaming, who gon' be my victim? Shoot the rifle to the light of the top. Blood of my Chevy out from this boat. Could've been yo, but I quit scope. Wonder at hope, who the fight yo? Just a little bit, you gon' fuck up my mood.
Oh shit!
My ears, why?